Welcome to Wyoming!
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing, and everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you.
Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Pandamonium. We had actually left Colorado and are in Wyoming now. It was a long trip, but it was very beautiful. A lot of pretty things to see. The views were just awesome. Wyoming is a beautiful state. I actually had one more project before I left the TCF, and Randy was gracious enough to help me with that. Here are some clips of when he helped me. Randy's helping me wire in, or actually run a wire to my blue lights that are up there that I rarely use because I had to run the wire through the door, and now it's going to be coming through this vent, and then we're going to tape it to the top of this panel so you won't see the wire. Awesome! Thanks, Randy.
You're welcome.
Noise going on in the background, that's these people right here. These people. Yeah, hey, I wasn't even filming you, but thanks for telling everybody you're bent over.
Well, you have a little watcher here. He was
Pug.
helping you.
Hey.
You're coming back.
Good, we got the wire running and everything.
You have medicine in there? Yeah.
All right. So my white tape that I had here didn't hold. This ended up popping up. So Randy put this silver tape, which is aluminum tape, and it's much tougher. I still think I will cover it with white tape just so that it's not silver and reflecting, and it'll blend in better. So you just notched it right there?
Yep.
That's where the wire is going to go.
It'll sit right up underneath of this.
Cool.
And that way we shouldn't have a lip.
You know, they're going to put me in jail? What? In Missouri, they will. They'll actually shoot first. And then...
Oh my God, this is on film, lady. Okay, so we do have it in, and he's trimming the screen right now. We put new screws in because those other screws were pretty rusted.
The first time I bought stuff during the Beat generation. We go into the village.
Kind of like cup it, right?
Hi, my sweetie.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure
Did
everybody
you know
heard.
how beautiful Aja is? Because
No, this
she's
is
going to
a
edit
beautiful
this
one.
video. No, I don't care who knows. Been smoking weed since I was 18.
Thank you for sharing. Yeah, he's going ahead and sealing this really quickly. I taped off the wire, so it's just not dangling there.
I'll be
Got
here
it?
for 14 days.
The lights were there. It's just I never plugged them in because I had to run the cable through the door, and I was like, ugh. But yeah, the lights are on and working, and I don't have to run the cable through the door no more. Awesome sauce. Thanks again, Randy, for all your help. I really do appreciate it. And I just love Willow. She's so funny. And it just goes to show you, it doesn't matter how old you are. She's still on the road, and I really do admire her because she's a single lady on the road, and she's doing it, so. What's this? Ooh, oh my God, is that breakfast?
Yeah, it's 3 eggs over easy, sausage patties, and purple sauerkraut.
Oh my God,
Freshly made.
thanks, Danny.
You're welcome.
Doesn't that look yummy? The sauerkraut's beautiful. Love the purple cabbage. When I was at Buena Vista, I filled my 5-gallon drinking water jug with just filtered water that we had at a park. There was a source there, and I just always felt dehydrated. So I ended up dumping that out and filling it back up with glacier water because I never feel dehydrated with glacier water. Also, I bought this electrolyte water, and this really did help me rehydrate. I was glad to have that. I didn't wake up sluggish and feeling really dry mouth and dehydrated, so that's awesome. I'm glad to not be dehydrated anymore. All right, time for some high protein yummy breakfast.
Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for a day. Time was well spent, that's
If you didn't know, we're en route heading to Bear Lake because there's several camping spots there, so we want to go check it out. Well, we are in Wyoming, and welcome to Fossil Butte. I know what it is. Let me do my video, please. Anyways, we are at Fossil Butte. It's just a little rest area. We are going down this road, which is 30, and we are heading north. Hey, Scotty.
Hello.
And we're all parked here. Dana and the family are behind me. There's Danny, there's Carrie, Scott and Terry, and Jimmy is leading the group. Here's some of the information if you're interested in reading it. Wow, Fossil Butte is 50 million years old. It's a lake bed. One of the richest fossil resources in the world. Awesome. Penalty for littering, $750 fine. Alright, I think we are all ready to go. I had a little snack, and now time to get back into Panda. Alright, let's get back on the road.
Take your time, not in the fast lane. I understand that you've been broken too many times, but I'll be waiting to mend your wounds. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you off the ground. That's when I knew that I need to spend.
So it is hot as crap, and all the campsites are full. Wow, this lake is very popular. So Terry and Scott are going to do some scouting to see if they can find anything, maybe some roadside that we can just pull off, and check and see tomorrow if there's any spots open. It is Saturday, so I'm sure that's why it's busy. But anyways, yeah, so hopefully they find something. If not, then I'm probably gonna go to Garden City. It's not too far from here. And I don't know what everybody else is going to do. We'll see, though. So here come Terry and Scott. Let's see if they found anything interesting.
Yeah.
So I would definitely say that Bear Lake is a bust. We couldn't find anything over there. We came to the other side of Bear Lake, and this is Garden City, and this is a tourist trap. Like, there's so many people. I mean, stores, literally people are standing in line just to get in stores. I'm like, geez. So we went a little further towards the edge of Garden City, and we found a little small restaurant that is not so busy. So we're gonna check it out and hopefully talk about what we're gonna do next. I don't know if we really want to stay here in Bear Lake. It's just, I mean, I know it's Saturday, but it's just so dang busy. So yeah, here's the traffic. There's cars everywhere. Yeah, it's definitely like city. The traffic and everything is, yeah, it's definitely a tourist destination. So we are sitting in the shade, which is nice. Feels so good. And the grass, I can put my feet in. I got a chocolate milk and a Caesar salad. Freaking awesome. Moo-moo's chilling in the grass. You chilling, Moo-moo? She's like, yes. I gave her a little piece of chicken out of my Caesar. Plus she got a dog biscuit. Jimmy gave her a dog biscuit.
She didn't want it at first, but
Well, that's because we were on the cement.
she changed her mind.
After she got into the grass and started relaxing, she's like, okay, I'll eat it. Look at that. He got the chef's salad. Wait, is it chef? Yeah, chef salad. It looks amazing.
Avocado.
Is it good?
Yeah. Mm.
Look, I'm old. Please don't climb on me. Oh my god, that was the worst mountain climb ever. It was a lot. I was going like 25 miles an hour up the mountain. Okay, but the view. Look at that view. That was a climb, but this is stunning. Hold on. There is the lake. Oh my god, it's beautiful up here. And it feels nice. It's not hot like it was earlier. Alright everybody, well this is the end of the video, and I will show you where we end up. But until then, stay safe and onward bound. I love everyone out there. Look at the view.